I'm gonna do this whole intro like I'm upset about something. Ribeye. How do you ruin a ribeye, but don't ruin it? How do you destroy its integrity, but yet maintain its deliciousness? You chop it up and make it a cheeseburger. Bah, better that back. Man, I don't even care about rapping like I'm in the 80s. Have you ever heard like in those old like 70s, 80s raps? It's like telling the news. It's the weirdest sounding rap I've ever heard. And then Monica went to the store at 3. She bought some chips and ate those chips. And then she went and it was raining. So she got an umbrella, put the umbrella on. And then she used it to keep herself dry because it was raining. Yeah. And then my grandmother made some chicken. We ate that chicken and then we were full because we ate chicken. I'm like, wow, that rap's really good. You're really telling us the news, DJ Puffle Puff. Did you watch the news yesterday? Nah, I listened to 70s rap. Told me everything. And then they went to the corner store and then we saw President Bush. I'm like, okay, good. President Bush, throwback. I hear you. But hey, it's old rap. We're just
Bush 2 or Bush 1? First Bush is...
Just forget about it. I quit on that whole topic. I'm gonna chop up this ribeye steak. I'm gonna make some cheeseburgers out of it. I have a little beef fat from a brisket I had. I put the beef fat in the freezer. I'm just trying to make this like, I want it to be like a 70-30. Turn this thing up to Flavor Town 1000. Oh, I forgot I was doing this whole intro upset. It's gonna be so flavorful. I don't even know what to do with myself. Then I'm gonna put this hot serrano pepper jelly that my dad bought me. Thanks, Dad. I'm gonna put that on there. Put some raw onions on there and then some of this sharp cheddar cheese. It's gonna be delicious. I know it. I know it's gonna be good. Why? Why? My wife just said, what's the channel's name? Food I made for my wife. Food I made for my wife. Food I made for my sugar boat. Food I made for my cutie bops. Food I made for my whip whip. Food I made for my black black. Food I made for my food I made for my food I made for my black black. That's not funny, Ray Ray? If you Ray Ray's here look like the 80s right now. My wife braided the back. Ray Ray, come show everybody. No, the 90s here. Come, baby. People's like, man, food I made for my wife. You got kids in every video. Mind your business. This is Ray Ray. She loves cheese. That was for my Ray Ray. That was for my burger. Ray Ray. Get out of here, chicken butt. Anyway, let's get into this. What you laughing at, chicken butt? What you say, JoJo? Huh? What you say, JoJo? What? Are you kidding me? What? Are you kidding me, JoJo? All the way from Mesopotamia? Oh, you're so silly. Hello there. It's me, Doctor. It's not the intro. This is the middies, the miss outro. It's me again, but this time I'm joined by JoJo, my little muffin butt. Muffin butt. Muffin butt. I love JoJo. She's the sweetest little potato. Anyway, we did it. We chopped up the beef. I'm sweating profusely. We chopped up the beef. The thing is, it doesn't taste like a cheeseburger. It tastes like a steak burger. It's clearly steak. It's quite delicious. But yeah, we put some mustard on there, some pepper jelly, some mayonnaise, big thick slice of cheddar cheese, raw onion. But before we did all that, after we made the burger, we put that thick slice of cheese and we put it under the broiler just to melt the cheese a little bit. Just so we don't, oh my God. Just so that our burger's made to perfection, and it is. It's delicious. It's a really good burger. Try it sometime. You saw me chop up that meat? You saw that? You saw that cleave work, brother? You saw that cleaver work, bruh? You saw me tuck up that cleave and go to work, brother? Put on the hard hat? Put on my scrubs? You saw me put on my scrubs, JoJo? I'm sorry, JoJo. She wasn't saying that. She would have been upset. She's not. She's chilling. Chilling doo-doo. Anyway, but it's not about my opinion, brother. It ain't about me. It's about my sweet beams. Sweet baby, yeah. Come on, Antoinette. Come eat this burger. What do you say, JoJo? JoJo, that was rude. Oh, never mind. It was a compliment.
Hey everyone.
Hey, guys.
Hey.
Hey, how are you?
How's it going?
Hey there.
Wow. Glad to see you all.
Nice to be back.
Yeah, you're so friendly.
JoJo, it's the back of your head.
Hey, burger time. Burger time. Burger time. Burger time. Burger time. Burger time. Right, JoJo? Alright, let's try it out. Onions. That's always good.
It's like eating steak as a burger.
It's delicious though.
Yeah.
It is like eating steak.
All that fat and makes it a really juicy burger. I'm happy. I'm getting up out of here. It's been a long day. Chopping up meats,
Okay, juicy.
cutting up onions. I got a beautiful wife. She's happy. I got a daughter named JoJo. She's happy. I got Ray Ray over there, Peanut, Princess, Bam, Ray Ray, Teddy, 7.
Seven sleep.
Wake up.
What'd you put on it?
I got some serrano pepper jelly.
Serrano pepper jelly.
I put some mustard, just some regular yellow mustard, some
You love
mayonnaise.
mustard. You love putting mustard on stuff.
I like putting mustard on beef, meatloaf sandwiches, steak and cheese subs, steak sandwiches. It's just good.
This is delicious. It does taste like I'm eating a steak, but I'm happy about it.
Hey.
It's quite good. It's quite
All right,
good,
man.
mate.
Can watch next week. I'm gonna be making a little blah blah
All right.
blah 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 blah
We'll see
blah
you
blah.
on here next time on food I made for my wife. We'll be back. Oh, no.
Well, that was a terrible accent. We'll be back next time on Food I Made.
No,
Matt
bro.
No, hey, ain't it?
Oh,
Hey,
oh,
hey,
isn't
hey, hey.
Goodbye.